commissioning of INAS 316, the second PATI squadron of the Indian Navy, marks yet another important step towards enhancing our combat capability. In today's dynamic and complex security situation, the squadron's operational capabilities will significantly enhance our ability to protect, preserve, and promote our national maritime interests. And since their induction in 2013, the PATIs have demonstrated their ability to be force multipliers across a wide spectrum of missions. The aircraft have been at the forefront of operations, joint operations along the line of actual control on our northern borders, and have been providing valuable input for a long time. They still continue to provide surveillance for joint services missions on a regular basis. It has also established its operational footprint all the way from Malacca, Lombok, and Sunda Straits in the east to the southwest Indian Ocean, Gulf of Aden, and the Persian Gulf in the west. They have also been deployed for extensive search and rescue operations in the aftermath of Cyclone Tote and rendering HADR assistance post-Cyclone Hudhud. In addition, the PATIs also played a significant role in supporting our foreign cooperation initiative with friends and partners across the seas, underpinned by the Honorable Prime Minister's vision of security and growth for all in the region, our saga. These aircraft were deployed for support to friendly foreign countries during COVID-19 pandemic as part of the government's outreach, the Vaccine Maitri initiative, by which we supplied vaccines to many of our friendly neighbors. The PATIs have also participated with distinction in numerous multinational exercises such as the RIMPAC, Malabar, Varna, Simbex, and so on. The rapidity and flexibility with which PATIs have responded to various contingencies in the region reflect our resolve to be the first responder and the preferred security partner in the region, guided by India's policy of neighborhood first. With the commissioning of INAS 316, we will be inducting 4 new PATIs under the option clause with Boeing. These aircraft, with their glass cockpits, new CFM engines, advanced maritime patrol radars, state-of-the-art acoustic suits, UIR equipment, air-to-ship missiles, and torpedoes are substantial capability enhancers. While the potent assets of the Indian Navy would continue to innovate and enhance their combat role to meet security challenges of the future, the commissioning of INAS 316 will certainly enhance our operational capabilities across the 3 domains of maritime operations.